In this video, we'll show how to add and customize the video pop-up block using the Responsive Block Editor Addons. Using this block, you can embed a YouTube, Vimeo, or a self-hosted video on your WordPress website. This will be displayed as a thumbnail, and the users can view the video in a pop-up window. Before getting started, you need to make sure that you have responsive Gutenberg blocks library installed and activated on your website. Check out the link in the description below to find out how to install it. So, let's get it started. Open a page or a post and click on the plus icon to add a new block. Look for the video pop-up block. You can search for it if it doesn't pop up quickly for you. To configure the video pop-up block, let's click on the Content tab. Under Pop-up Options, you can select the video uploaded to WordPress Media, or put the link of your video from YouTube or Vimeo. Under Container Settings, you can set the width and height of the video container. To customize the video pop-up, click on the Style tab and you'll first get the option to customize the play button according to style, size, color, and opacity. You can also customize the border and add box shadow to the video container. Under the Background section, you can either choose a background image or select an overlay color. Under the Advanced settings, you can set additional CSS. Once you are satisfied with your settings, click on the Update button. So, this is how you can add and customize the video pop-up block on your WordPress website. For more tutorials about responsive Gutenberg blocks library and WordPress, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video.